Hello friends, how are you? Today we will take a look at Sublime Text Editor 3 download and installation process. So let's take a look at very simple steps that how we can download and install Sublime Text Editor. First of all, I wanna share my personal experience with you that Sublime Text Editor is now the most usable code editor for web designers and developers. So if you want efficient coding and wanna do some easy coding, you should use Sublime Text Editor. So now let's take a look at simple process of Sublime Text Editor. The latest version of Sublime Text Editor is 3. For download and install process of Sublime Text Editor, guys, you just have to go to your browser and write here Sublime Text Editor like this, enter it, and here comes the first website. As you can see, sublimetext.com. You just have to click on it, and here it is. Friends, you can see the simple interface of Sublime Text Editor. This is the interface of Sublime Text Editor, and from this download for Windows you can download Sublime Text Editor, and you can see here Sublime Text 3 build 3143. You just have to click download for Windows, and it is asking me for to where I can download. I will keep it in my downloads. Click OK and click download, and as you can see my download has started, and we will just wait for that. Guys, there are a lot of features and other usage of Sublime Text Editor uh, which I will discuss in my next video, like package, install package, emit option, plugins and different features of Sublime Text Editor, which will I discuss in my next video. In this video I will present to you the simple demo of Sublime Text Editor, download, installation process and simple usage. So here's my software is downloaded in my downloaded folders. Here you can see Sublime Text build. Just click on it to install it, press yes, press next, and it is asking for you that where you wanna install your software. I will keep it in my softwares. Just click next, then again next, and install. Finish. So guys, here's your Sublime Text Editor 3 is installed on your computer. Let's check it from here. Type Sublime. Now this is the Sublime Text T. Open it. So friends, you can see a Sublime Text Editor code editor is installed on your PC, and this is the simple interface of Sublime Text Editor. And we will open a simple file. You can select a file from here, new file, and you can drag and drop your coding here. I will open a file from here, and maybe I will in my working process this okay, this single page thing. So friends, you can see this is a Sublime Text Editor, and here's the coding. You can easily select, you can easily copy and paste any code here. You can efficiently use your code, write your code, There are a lot of other features of Sublime Text Editor, and which we will discuss in our next video. Till then, thank you and subscribe to our channel. Allah Hafiz.